is so beautiful. It feels like there is this flower on top of my head. These Chinese are really changing the game when it comes to infrastructure. Take a look. If you're working with a kid here, you can literally buy something for the kid. And guys, this is not just a design, they've got some information on this wall, and I want to show you right now. Wow, it feels like I'm entering into a spaceship. Let's go inside. Wow, take a look at the design. We've got some interactive elements right here in this station. And it makes you feel like you are in another world. You are in a world that is yet to come in maybe 20 or 50 years, you know. Wow, I'm just blown away by how clean, beautiful, artistic this place looks like. And I can see, I think there's a sunset, or there's the reflection of the sun just in front of me. Let me show you. Wow. They're always trying to save energy in China, which is so amazing. If it was some other country, it would be lights all through. But here, you've got sunlight falling from the sun, from the top of this place. Wow. This is amazing. Take a look. Guys, I'm not at the airport. I am in just a subway station that is here in China. This is the Daiyin subway station here in Shenzhen. It's got kind of these rings. Anyway, take a look. It looks like a star. And there's not even one dent on the floor, guys. Not even one dent or any graffiti by the walls. This is crazy. Now this is Aobei station here in Shenzhen, the line 14 of the Shenzhen subway system. And guys, I want to take you inside and go show you the futuristic and modern space that they have here. Let's go. Wow, take a look at this. Wow, guys, this is massive. There is enough space for everybody to walk around this place. Take a look. It's really well organized and well structured. And they've got this kind of design, kind of looks like flowers, but of different colors. We have the green, and then we've got the white as well, you know. And one thing that I noticed about the subways that are here, especially on line 14, is you see these white lights that are here. It only ons when, or it only turns on when the train is close by. If there's no train, they try to turn this off. To save some energy, which is so creative of these people to do. All right, now let's go inside. And of course, this subway is driverless, so there is actually no driver. You can literally charge your phone on this subway, you know, which is so rare. I normally don't see subways where you can charge your phone. So I think this is so simple, but at the same time, well designed And it seems like every station on the line 14 subway system is having a different theme. You know, this has a green and white theme with some modern design. It looks like some fashion, artistic design, you know. Take a look at the high-tech elements that they have here. Now this is Sulian on the line 14 of the Shenzhen subway. It connects many districts, so it is very accessible and it helps the people to connect to wherever they want to go inside of the city. I think it's very convenient, you know. This looks like an airport already, man, but this is just a subway station. This is connecting line 14 to line 7, which is on the other side of this place. And I'm so blown away by the modern design that is here. Take a look. Yes, you can literally use the elevators or the escalators to go up. You see that? It feels like I'm going into, or I'm in an art museum, but this is just a normal subway station. All right, on to the next place. Let me go up. I want to see what they've got on the top side of this place, so I'll go out and show you. What can I say about this station? It's very giant, so big, spacious. The design, the architecture is just top notch, and I can't finish even exploring all the subway systems that are here in Shenzhen. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see this. Wow, this is so beautiful. Can you see what I'm seeing? Huh? And of course, when I'm talking about the line 14 subway, I cannot leave out the Gansha subway station. Take a look at this ultra-modern subway station that is here in Shenzhen. Take a look at the design. And guys, I already got a video in this place, so I'll link it to this side of the video for you to go check. Let me know what you think about the line 14 of the Shenzhen subway system, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.